What's that sound? What's that place? Hush, it's time for Daniela's secret bespoke. Special spots in the world. Look around, don't make a sound, because it's time for Daniela's secret bespoke. Special spots in the world. Hush.
If walking through the neighborhood of Shangwan in Hong Kong, take a turn down Pound Lane and you will come across a stamp shop. Interested in Chinese stamps? I didn't think so. Look closer. Press one of the stamps and a sliding door opens to reveal a wonderful hidden restaurant. Mrs. Pound, a burlesque dancer in the 50s, was gifted her favorite stamp shop by one of her lovers, Mr. Ming, so she could hide away and make it her own. You can go there and hide away for the day, sipping cocktails and eating wonderful snacks inspired by Asian street food. But remember, shh, it's a secret.
What's that sound? What's that place? Hush, it's time for Daniela's secret bespoke. Special spots in the world. Look around, don't make a sound, because it's time for Daniela's secret bespoke. Special spots in the world.